All right, Mandalay Bay, Las Vegas. If you're coming here, pay attention to this video because you are most likely going to be staying in this room, and it is awesome. This is one of the best entry-level rooms in all of Las Vegas. I cannot believe this is the cheapest room available at Mandalay Bay. It is huge. It is elegant. There's a lot going on. I'm excited to show it to you. I think Mandalay Bay was one of my first loves in Las Vegas, and I'm reminded why. Now, I have not stayed here for a while. I did stay over at Delano a while back, but I haven't been back to Mandalay Bay in years. And just getting into these rooms, which have aged very well, I am so excited to be here. So let's get it started in the bathroom. I'm going to save the best stuff for the end, but this bathroom is actually really quite elegant and refined. As we get in here, we have double Dutch doors that lead into the bathroom. These are able to be shut if you want some privacy and some seclusion. And as we enter, this is a very, very refined place to be. Really high-end stones in here. You have marble, you have granite. This dual vanity is almost mesmerizing. You have a huge elongated mirror, single piece. This thing is so expensive. Plus it has the LED light implanted into it. And there's more than enough space for two people and all their stuff. As I get over to these products, I have never seen these before. These are almond and olive products. These were not over at Delano when I was staying there. In fact, I've never seen these products before. I cannot wait to check those out. As we flip around, we have a large square soaking tub. I'm definitely going to put that to good use. There's nothing like a proper soak in Las Vegas, especially after a long night of going out. If bathing is not your thing, you do have a shower tucked away here in the back, decently sized with replicated almond and olive products. And last but not least, there is a water closet here separated by a big, heavy door. That always adds some class, sophistication, and privacy to your bathroom experience if you need it. Pretty decent size in here with, again, some more artwork on the wall. That is pretty much it for the bathroom. Let's check out this main room. It is spacious. I'm loving the huge open floor plan. There are really kind of three separate areas in here. So I'm going to start out on the bed, but before I get to that, take a look at that headboard. That thing extends horizontally, and it pretty much takes up that entire huge accent wall. I am loving that accent wall. Definitely adds some vibrance to the room. And I'm also just noticing real fine touches in here, like the crown molding, kind of some elevated ceilings. That accent wall is indented to kind of give this room some more flair. Definitely a very cool setup. And plus you have a foot bench or a bed bench here. I think that's always a sign of luxury, class, and sophistication. It is not an upper end hotel room without one of these. I like to put all my stuff right here, maybe for the next day, or maybe keep some things close to the bed that I'm always using. Those are always really convenient. This bed is elevated. It gives it some distinction. It looks really comfortable. Let's see if it's as comfortable as it looks. Oh yeah, this is nice. Today was check-out day and check-in day for me, so I'm definitely going to put this to good use. This, I'd say, is more on the firmer side, but it's absolutely perfect for a Las Vegas bed. And let's swing around and take a look at the entertainment portion of the room. It kind of has this TV on the wall. This TV is actually quite large, but given the size of this room, it actually looks really, really small, just because this room is so spacious and huge. One thing I'm noticing are these pre-made coffees. I've never seen these before. They have a coffee kit inside, and you can move it right from here to here if you want a quick, convenient pick-me-up in the morning. And as we flip down from the convenience items, I always like to take a look at the minibar just to see what's going on in here. MGM always does a fantastic job with their mini bars. There is a little bit of everything. There's great variety, and then it is very, very well stocked. You got 4 Tito's, 4 Jack, 4 Bacardis down there, nice little assortment of beers and seltzers, and then some full bottles down below. Well done, Mandalay Bay, on this mini bar. This thing is quite beautiful. So this is one of the coolest desk setups I've ever seen in Las Vegas. First of all, it's glass, which you rarely see. I think that just adds some class and some professionalism to the setup. But take a look at this. We have all of our peripherals right here. So anything you want to plug in, you can keep nice and close to your desk. And then also it feeds right to the TV, which swivels out. So if you want a dual monitor setup, or if you want to work on a presentation or even give a presentation in this hotel room, you could definitely do that. That TV swivels for your convenience. You can point it pretty much towards any spot in this room. And last but not least, let's check out this entertainment area right here. 2 huge high back chairs, again, really classy. And then you have a gargantuan ottoman, which doubles as a table. So if you just want to sit up here with your feet up, you can do that. If you want to order a room service, you can do that. If you want to use this as an extended desk and just get some work done, maybe in a more comfortable setting, you can do that. There is another small round table right here to keep your coffee, your drinks, your mobile device close. And then you can just kind of set up shop right here. And it's nice to have a relaxing spot in the room just to chill that isn't the bed. Last but not least, let me show you the view. I'm on floor number 24. The view is okay. I do kind of have a partial strip view. The view definitely is not bad for the absolute cheapest room that they have here at Mandalay Bay. You have a direct view of Delano, Luxor, of course, and then you can see all the way down to pretty much city center. I am so glad to be back. This room is unbelievable. I can't believe what a value it is. You want to talk about luxury on a budget? You're talking Mandalay Bay. And it's not just this room. I think Mandalay Bay is one of the nicer hotels in Las Vegas. It doesn't get a lot of love because of its location. It is the furthest south on the strip. It's isolated, somewhat inconvenient, and I think that's why it isn't considered one of the best. But if you want to talk about value and what you get for your dollar, making your dollar go a long way, in terms of class and luxury and having a higher end hotel room for a cheap price, I don't think it gets much better than Mandalay Bay. So my first impressions are very positive, but who knows, that could change. I am here for more than a few nights, and I want to check out all their best restaurants. There are 2 rooftop lounges. I want to check those out. There's a sushi Asian place here that I've been meaning to see. I may or may not do the shark exhibit. I want to find the coolest restaurants, the best drinks, do a little gambling. I cannot wait to insert myself back into Mandalay Bay action. It has been way too long.